Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Greek Kourambiedes. Basically, these are almond butter cookies. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to start by adding in about 2 cups of softened melted butter into a bowl. To this we're going to add a pinch of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of icing sugar, and we'll also just crack in 1 whole egg. Now just with a hand mixer, we just want to give this a quick mix. Now I'm just going to add in a tablespoon of almond extract. And we're going to start by adding in about 3 cups of plain flour. And once again, with our hand mixer on a low speed, we just want to mix this through. Once the dough has started to incorporate like that, we're going to add in another 1 cup of plain flour. And I'm also going to add in 1/2 cup of chopped up almonds. Now you can make the almonds finer if you like, that's just up to you. I just personally like the texture of it. So what we're going to do now is add in 1 more cup of flour, and that makes it a total of 5 cups. Now before we mix it again, just scrape the sides, just to get all that excess flour as well into it. And once again we'll mix it through. Okay, and there we have it, our dough is ready for use. Now this dough, it will be a little bit soft, but it shouldn't be sticky. So when you touch it with your hands like that, it shouldn't stick. If you find it sticking, just add in a touch of flour. So what I'm going to do now is just put this into the fridge for about 10 minutes. Just let it chill up a little, just so it's easy to work with. And in the meantime, we'll preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. So what we're going to do is just take the dough out, and we're just going to place it onto a floured surface. So what we're going to do now is just divide the dough into 2. Just so we have 2 portions to work with. Now you can do this any way you like. You can just roll it out and make shapes with it. You can put it into a piping bag, squeeze it out into a cookie cutter, whatever you like. I'm just going to go just a little bit of the traditional way. And 2 again. Half again, half again. And then into quarters like that. Now they don't have to be exact, I'll try and get them close. Now to actually shape them, just in our palms, we're just going to turn it into a circle like that. And then just place a dimple in it like that. Now that's one way. Another way is roll it out into a log shape like that and make it into a crescent. So that really comes down up to you. You can mix them if you like. You can make a completely different shape. Anything. So in my case, I'll just do the crescents, just for the sake that they look nicer. And then you want to place them straight onto a baking tray. So I'm doing mine in 2 trays, just so it's evened out. So definitely leave a bit of a gap between them as well, because they will expand a little. So provided your oven is ready, we'll go ahead and put this in. We're looking for a baking time between 12 to 15 minutes. That could change depending on the size. So if you're doing bigger shapes, it might be between 15 to 18 minutes. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes. I've just pulled them out of the oven. So basically we just want very light browning on them. Just like that. The bottom's fine, but you don't want the top to burn. So let them cool down for now. So once they've cooled down, we're just going to lightly spray them with some rosewater. And I've just got some icing sugar here. I'm just going to give them a decent dusting. And the more the better when it comes to this. Now just let them sit there and absorb that. And there we have it. They're nice and ready to be served. Now these need to be in an airtight container, so make sure they are covered. And it's best to consume within 1 week. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.